Hi everyone, this is Daniel with the Structure.Rust team. Today we're going to talk about lineage groups and how they can help your business scale. So traditional models are controlled by a system known as tagging. You can build a model and then tag it with whatever label you want and use those labels to come up with some way of defining procedures to run jobs according to a schedule. We built lineage groups because the current ways of organizing graphs doesn't scale. Instead of having a single graph with thousands of models, lineage groups allow you to organize into small, more manageable subgraphs. These subgraphs remove the need for manual tagging and manual organization of models. Subgraphs lay the groundwork for scaling your graph. Instead of manually tagging every model individually, you can set policies on an entire subgraph, even for models that someone adds in the future. I'm going to jump over to the demo environment. So let's see how you would make a lineage group. First, you'd have to build out some of your DAG and decide how you want to divide it up. Here we have some customer information, we have some sales information, we have some supply chain information, and down here at the very bottom we have some website information. Let's develop a sales lineage group. So we'll select Nation, Customer, and Orders. And right-click and click Add to Lineage Group. And we'll call this lineage group Sales. Now that we have our sales lineage group, we can perform further operations and analysis on the endpoints of this lineage group, or we can go over to our data catalog and search the schema of that lineage group to decide what information would be useful. That's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the app, or even join us on the Slack channel. Thank you.